Hi, I'm Dr. Douglas Hoffman with Essentia Health. I'm with the Department of Orthopedics and Radiology. I specialize in musculoskeletal ultrasound. I've always been drawn to the human sciences as well as to the human condition, and I love hearing patients' stories, people's stories. And medicine lets me do all that, and at times it gives me the privilege of having a front seat in people's lives. Had the fortunate opportunity to be on the front end and develop skills in musculoskeletal ultrasound. I've always played and loved sports and had the good fortune of playing a sport in college, and the team doc was just a fantastic person and a role model, and I always thought he had the greatest job in the world. And that drew me to medicine and drew me to sports medicine and orthopedics, and absolutely love my job. And like I said, 5 years ago, an opportunity to subspecialize in this field presented itself, and I love going to work every day. Not being in primary care, I always was worried that I wouldn't have those long-term relationships with those patients, and that hasn't been the case. I've known patients for a long time, and again, I've had the privilege of learning about them and being with them through different phases of their life. Well, when I walk in a room with a patient and greet them, I always make a point of looking them in the eye and trying to have a warm smile. I feel that goes a long way and sets the tone. Almost at the end of every visit, I try to tell patients that I really hope that they feel better. I love spending time with my family. Fortunately, we like to do a lot of the same things and be active. I exercise regularly, try to do that exclusively outdoors, regardless of the season. For almost 11 years now, I've coached soccer. That's been a big commitment, but an incredible joy.